Hi guys, welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It is not a tutorial. Instead, I am going to introduce a small range of our black and gold beads for all your black and gold themed events. These sweet keyrings are great for baby showers, christening, baptism, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let me introduce them one by one. For our first keyring, we have here a Crescent Moon focal bead and our best-selling floral embossed 22mm ABACUS silicone bead. The intricate floral design on this bead is featured on both sides, and the color of this bead is linen, followed by a 20mm acrylic spacer bead in shiny black. The next bead is our brushed gold 22mm ABACUS, which is the same size as the floral embossed bead. And as you can see, they both go really well with the black acrylic beads. The crescent is also silicone, and I finished off this keyring with our 14mm ABACUS acrylic bead in shiny black. So the clasp that I use for this keyring is our 32mm gold swivel lobster clasp, and the string is our 1.5mm satin nylon cord in white. The next keyring features our silicone printed bead and our floral embossed acrylic bead. And for this one, I've used our 40mm swivel lobster clasp and again our 1.5mm satin nylon cord in white, which I've used across all the keyrings that you see in this video today. So breaking down this keyring, we have firstly our 30mm large daisy in black, and then we have our cow print 17mm hex silicone bead, followed by our 19mm floral embossed acrylic. The details on this floral embossed acrylic is also really pretty and amazing, and it's on both sides of the bead, just like our silicone range, as you can see. And then we have our 15mm round in jet black, and I finished off with our 8mm mini spacer acrylic bead in shiny gold. These mini spacers are so handy to have. They just finish off a keyring really well and adds that little bit of shine to it as well. We also have these mini spacers in silver and rose gold, and shiny black is on its way as well. Our third keyring features a cute little charm as well. So these charms are actually made of stainless steel, so they last and they don't tarnish. We have 9 different designs altogether, but I'll go through them shortly. At the top of the keyring, we have our 22mm mini daisy bead in jet black, followed by our 17mm hex bead in jet black. There's also a brushed gold, and in between that we have our 20mm spacer in gold, and then we have our 15mm round in linen, and finished off with our 14mm ABACUS acrylic in gold. Then I have gone on and finished off our keyring with a cute little Choose Happy engraved stainless steel charm. These charms are just so beautiful. They're so durable, they last, like I said before, and we have them in 9 different designs. They are engraved and also come in silver and rose gold. So here are the other 8 designs that we have in our engraved stainless steel charms range. Lots of them are mantras, everyday mantras, like you are enough, never give up. And then we also have blessed grandma for all the grandmas out there, for mama. We have the mother and baby finger grasp, which has been really popular this Mother's Day. And then we also have one for the teachers, so that's a little teacher quote there, that's really sweet. Perfect for all your teacher gifts. And we also have a cute little flower one with a Be Brave quote. We have one that says, my body, my choice. So we have these 9 different stainless steel charms, 9 different designs that you can choose from. And they are just perfect to add onto your lanyard, your keyrings, and your wristlets. Our fourth keyring now features our 30mm large daisy again, and this time we have our 22mm floral embossed bead in black. You can see the details front and back, followed by our brushed gold ABACUS, and then our 20mm gold acrylic spacer bead again. These spacer beads are must-have, and I've added a nude 19mm round bead for a bit of pink. and finished off with our 8mm mini spacer beads yet again. Fun fact, all our gold acrylic beads are one and the same color. The next keyring features one of our engraved beech wooden beads, starting off with our 30mm large daisy again in black. And our next bead is the one that says Faith over Fear, and this is just one of our big range of engraved beech wooden beads. We have other mantras like Be Kind, Teach Love Inspire, Home Sweet Home, Love is Love, so be sure to check that out on our website. And the next bead that we have is our 22mm Faceted ABACUS shiny acrylic beads. These ones are so bling. When you turn them at every angle, you can see the shine. You can see, like, it just reminds me of a disco ball. Next we have our 17mm hex in black, and I finished off this keyring with our 12mm round shiny acrylic in gold. This is also the perfect size for a finishing bead, and it's really popular in many designs that our customers use. Last but not least, we have this beautiful keyring featuring our very popular faceted love heart acrylic bead. Love hearts are always a great choice, so I've popped that up there as like a focal bead. And then next I want to introduce to you our floral embossed mini hex. So it's basically the intricate floral design taken from our 22mm ABACUS and then popped onto our 14mm mini hex bead. So the same floral pattern, just on a different bead. These smaller mini hex beads are also embossed on both sides, and they are great for wristlets as well, earrings, lanyard, pens, and what have you. We have these floral embossed beads in a range of colors, so check them out online as well. The spacer that's sitting between the two mini hexes is actually the 15mm spacer bead in gold. And last but not least, we have again our 12mm round acrylic bead in gold. We've now come to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed this little showcase showing you some of our range. If you want to see our full range though, please remember to jump online onto our website. It is www.ajcraftsupplies.com, and check out all the floral embossed beads, all our acrylics, our daisies, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, please drop them down below in the comment section, or if you have any suggestions or feedback for our next video, please also drop them down below. Thank you so much, and happy crafting!